Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for class 10 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 25 on differentiation. Let us see the first question. If f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3, then what is the value of f dash of 2? Okay, so here whenever you have modulus function into picture, suppose you have f of x is equal to mod of x minus a plus mod of x minus b. Suppose you have a function of this kind. So here suppose a is less than b. That is the case. In that case, we have to observe the function at three different using three cases. What is the first case? Case 1, if x is less than a. That is the first case. Then what is the function nature we have to observe? Second case, case 2, we have to observe if a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. If x is in between a and b, of course equality can be given anywhere, no issue. Then in that case, what is the function? Third case, case 3, if x is more than b. If you have both a and b here, then less than a, how the function will behave as, and between a and b, if x is lying, then how the function behave as, then if x is more than b, how the function behave as. If you know the function, then f dash of x is easy to solve. Straight away, derivative, we cannot differentiate the modulus function directly. These are the conditions what we have to take into consideration. Now let us see the given question. In the given question, fx is this. So here f dash of 2 is saying, what is f dash of 2? F dash of 2 means x value between 1 and 3. Such case he is asking. So here the case is 1 less than x less than 3. That is the case. In this case, what to observe? We can say f of x is equal to 1 is less than x means x is more than 1. If x is more than 1, x minus 1 will be positive. If it is positive, we will write x minus 1 as it is. Modulus we can remove. Next, x minus 3. If x is less than 3, x minus 3 will be negative. So to make it positive, what to write? Minus of x minus 3. This is the simple logic we have to apply while solving the problems on modulus. What is that? If at all you have f of x, okay, f of x is mod x, that can be taken as x. If x is either positive or 0, that is to be taken as minus x if x is less than 0. Why should I do that? Because if x is less than 0, that is in the sense x is negative. If I say minus of negative, that becomes positive. So our intention is modulus of x is always results in an absolute function. I mean to say positive value. So this is the case what we have to take. If x is more than or equal to 0, as it is, we can take because already it is positive. No need to make it positive. Second case, x is negative. So to make it positive, what to do? Minus of negative is minus of minus is plus. That is what we are writing there. Minus x we are writing. Similarly, we have done here. That is otherwise. What do you get now? X minus 1 minus x plus 3. X minus 1 minus x plus 3. X cancels and we have the result as 2. F of x is 2. If x is a value between 1 and 3, f of x is 2 means it is a constant function. As it is a constant function, its derivative f dash of x is 0 for all x belong to closed 1 comma 3. I can take equality also we can take no issue. For all f dash of x becomes 0 for all x belongs to 1 comma 3. Any value in between 1 and 3 you take, including 1 and 3, f dash of x become 0. Therefore, f dash of 2 also we can take as 0. Why should I take f dash of 2 also 0? Because x is the value in between 1 and 3 here. 2 is the value in between 1 and 3. So f dash of 2 also becomes 0 thus. So f dash of 2 answer is 0. Let us see the next question. If y is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cubed by 3 factorial plus so on infinity, then what is f dash of 0? Here also we have to take f of x is nothing but y. That is what we have to understand. So f of x is equal to y, that is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cubed by 3 factorial plus so on up to infinite series. Now let us do f dash of x. What is f dash of x? dy by dx. Derivative of constant 0. d by dx of x is 1. d by dx of x square is 2x by, of course, 2 factorial. Next, 3x square by 3 factorial. It goes on like that. So that is otherwise 1 plus 2 by 2 factorial, that is x by 1 factorial, plus here 3 by 3 factorial means 3 factorial we have given as 3 into 2 factorial. 3 cancels, so that is x square by 2 factorial plus so on up to infinity. This is the value of f dash of x. Now what do you need now? F dash of 0, that is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus so on infinity, that is nothing but 1. So f dash of 0 value is how much now? 1. So f dash of 0 we can take as 1 here. That is the second. Now let us see the third question. D by dx of x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. Now that is equal to, okay, first here we have to apply UV rule. X by 2 into d by dx of root over a square minus x square plus root over a square minus x square into d by dx of x by 2. Product rule we have applied for this particular function. Next, this function we have to differentiate plus as a square by 2 is a constant, we can write a square by 2 times of d by dx of sin inverse of x by a. That is the first step. Next step, that is equal to x by 2 into derivative of root. First, for root function let us differentiate. It is chain rule. Root function is 1 by 2 root of f of x. What is that? A square minus x square. Next step is what? A square minus x square we have to differentiate. What is the derivative of a square minus x square? Minus 2x. Why minus 2x? A square is a constant, derivative of constant is 0, minus derivative of x square is 2x. Plus here root over a square minus x square into derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant, derivative of x is 1. So it is 1 by 2. This is all first term related concept. Plus next a square by 2 times of, here it will be d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square into derivative of x by a is 1 by a. Derivative of x by a is 1 by a. So that is going to be, here 2 cancels. So we have minus x square by, here we have 2 root a square x square, let me take as LCM. So we have here minus x into x is x square, because this 2 and this 2 cancels. Minus x square we have, plus here I have 2 already, so it is a square minus x square. So root a square minus x square, if I multiply with root a square minus x square, it is a square minus x square. Plus here a square by 2 into this particular function. Here we have a cancels, so 1 by root over a square minus x square. Here a goes up, that a and this a cancels, and we are left with a square by 2 into 1 by root over a square minus x square. If at all I simplify this, here these two are like fractions. What is the denominator there? 2 root over a square minus x square. Okay. Here any simplification, minus 2x square. Yes, you have minus 2x square plus 2a square. Because here we have a square, this is 1a square, 2a square we have. That is otherwise 2 cancels, and finally it is a square minus x square by root over a square minus x square. That is nothing but root over a square minus x square. Okay. X by root x is root x. So root over a square minus x square is the answer. That is what? D by dx of this entire function, right? So the answer for this question is how much? First option, that is the right answer. Let us see the next question. If y is exponential sin square x plus sin power 4x plus sin power 6x plus so on, then dy by dx is. What is y now? If you observe this particular series, sin square x plus sin power 4x plus sin power 6x plus so on up to infinity, it is an infinite GP with first term a is equal to sin square x, r is equal to sin square x, both are sin square x here. As it is an infinite GP, what is S infinity? S infinity can be written as a by 1 minus r, that is sin square x by 1 minus sin square x, that is cos square x. So that is, otherwise we can write it as tan square x. Tan square x. Therefore, this entire function becomes y is equal to e power tan square x. That is finally what we have to take. My y is now e power tan square x. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. dy by dx is derivative of e power x is e power x itself into derivative of tan square x, means d by dx of tan square x. Chain rule. That is otherwise e power tan square x into derivative of tan square x means 2 tan x into derivative of tan x is secant square x. Chain rule again. 2 tan x into secant square x. So e power tan square x into secant square x into tan x into 2, nothing but third option for this. First step is simplification of the given this result. Then you have to differentiate e power tan square x Here chain rule we have to apply. Thereby we got the answer as third option. Right? Let us see the next question. If root tan y is equal to e power cos 2x into sin x, then what is dy by dx? Root tan y is given as e power cos 2x into sin x. That is given for us. Now, both the sides let us differentiate with respect to x. What do you have? Root function to differentiate, that is 1 by 2 root of tan y into tan y derivative is secant square y into dy by dx. Chain rule again. That is, here you have UV rule, product rule. So what to write? E power cos 2x into dy by dx of sin x is cos x plus sin x into dy by dx of e power cos 2x. E power cos 2x is e power cos 2x into minus 2 sin 2x. Minus 2 sin 2x. Cos 2x minus sin 2x. 2x means 2 you will get. So minus 2 sin 2x. So now that implies what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to this entire term, let us send to the other side. So it is 2 root over tan y by secant square y into e power cos 2x. In these two, e power cos 2x is common. E power cos 2x into, here we have cos x, here minus sin x into 2 sin x 2x. That is what we have. Right? Now, you can write e power cos 2x as this e power cos 2x, if you subject, make a subject, then can be root tan y by sin x. Root tan y by sin x. So that is going to be 2 into root tan y by secant square y into root tan y by sin x into cos x minus sin x into 2 sin x. Further simplification, 2 root tan y into root tan y, that is 2 tan y. So we have 2 tan y by here secant square y into here multiply with sin x inside. So cos x by sin x is cot x, sin x cancels. So it is simply cot x minus 2 sin x. Right? Now what is 2 tan y by secant square x? Secant square y. Tan y by secant square y, that is becoming sin 2y. So this entire value becomes sin 2y. Sin 2y into cot x minus 2 sin 2x. Okay? So that is the value for the dy by dx. So dy by dx sin 2y into cot x minus 2 sin 2x. That is nothing but first option for us. That is the right answer. Okay? So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.